Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the car to ACC so MyLink is active. This allows the system to scan. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it unlocked so pairing prompts appear immediately. Make sure you're within a few feet of the radio. Proximity matters. Then open the MyLink phone menu so it's ready to add a device. You're not just turning things on, you're creating the conditions for a clean, quick pairing sequence. Next, you navigate the MyLink phone menu. Choose Phone, then Pair Device, and select Add Phone to start discovery. After MyLink broadcasts, find the Chevy MyLink name on your phone's Bluetooth list and tap it. You'll see a passcode on both displays. Confirm that code on phone and MyLink so they trust each other. Once paired, allow permissions for contacts and call history so voice calls and caller ID work properly. This step links audio and phonebook features. Finally, you verify everything. Make a short test call and play some music to confirm mic and speaker routing, and adjust both phone and MyLink volumes so levels match. If audio doesn't route, explicitly select Bluetooth as the audio source on the radio. If pairing fails, don't panic. Delete the stored device on both phone and MyLink, then retry the pairing from scratch. As a deeper fix, reboot your phone or cycle vehicle power. This clears temporary faults and usually resolves stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.